Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my students.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, teacher.
Hope you all are doing well.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
So, my dear students, have you ever heard about Tayamum?
Oh, teacher.
No problem. Today, we will learn about Tayamum. Tayamum is the Islamic act of dry ritual purification using purified sand or stone or mud, which may be performed in piece of ritual washing, wudu or ghusl. Yes, Hira.
Teacher, it means Tayamum is the Islamic term for dry ablution.
You are absolutely right, Hira. Yes, Alina.
Teacher, when should we perform this type of ablution?
Good question. Alina, this is the type of ablution performed when clean water is not readily available or it is not feasible for a person to perform regular ghusl or wudu because of medical reasons or similar issues. In such circumstances, instead of water, the person wipes a small amount of sand, dust or dry earth on his or her face and hands.
Did Prophet Muhammad also used to perform Tayamum in his life, teacher?
Yes, as it is narrated that the Prophet stroked the earth with his hands and then passed them over his face and the backs of his hands while demonstrating Tayamum.
Alhamdulillah, how much relaxation Islam has given us. I love my religion.
Yes, Alhamdulillah, we are lucky and blessed that we are Muslims.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, students, so it's all about today's class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, teacher.